Hi, Shayanti here. Today I'm going to talk about the low government tax revenue for tobacco products in India and how it's killing people. Over 120 million Indians smoke, and globally, 10% of the world tobacco smokers live in India. It's a huge number. More than 57% of men and 11% of women use some form of tobacco products. And what are the results? Each year, more than 1 million Indians die due to tobacco consumption. A study in our dental college and hospital, and I'm watching many patients every day that who are diagnosed with oral cancer and many other diseases. When I took history of that patients, I found that they are chronic cigarette smoker, pan masala, gutka, khaini, bidi, consume them. Now the health cost for the tobacco related illnesses are also high. I got an analysis that approximately 300 billion was spent from the public and private funds for the treatment of the tobacco related diseases in the year of 2002 to 2003. Now the main problem is that tobacco products are very cheap in India. One packet bidi cost only 4 rupees, and taxes on that packet is only 9% of the retail price. The recommendation by World Bank for cigarette tax is 65 to 80%, where in India it is way lower, only 38%. And tobacco taxes in India are not regularly adjusted for inflation. For that, the products are becoming increasingly affordable. Isn't it an alarming situation? If India raises its price on tobacco products by increasing the tax rate, then it will discourage the youth from initiating cigarette smoking, and it can encourage the current smokers to quit. From a study, I found if India increased the tax rate on bidis from 9% to 40%, and on cigarette, if they increase the tax rate from 38 to 78%, then we can save 18.9 million lives among Indians alive today. The increase in tobacco tax will provide the government with an additional rupees 183.2 billion in tax revenue. There should be a regular adjustment of tobacco taxes for inflation, would help to ensure the high prices on tobacco products. And lastly, I would say that there should be some comprehensive social and public program, health program, to control the tobacco using. So, save lives, stop tobacco.